Class 9th NCERT Math exercise number 8.1. Question number 4. So that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals of the square are equal. It means we have to prove both the diagonals of a square are equal and both the diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Right angle, it means they bisect each other by making the angle 90 degree. Given ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. To proof में हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? टू प्रूफ में हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है? हमको क्या प्रूफ करना है? डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल. फर्स्ट में है हमारा डायगोनल्स are equal. That is diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. We have to prove it. And in second part, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. That is, by bisect each other, it means OA is equal to OC. What we have to prove? OA is equal to OC. Here it is written OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Side OB is equal to side OD. And angle AOB, this angle and this angle, it means AOB, angle BOC, this angle COD, this angle DOA, this angle. All the four angles is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove it. प्रूफ में हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? हम लोग कैसे किस स्टेटमेंट के द्वारा हम लोग इस पूरे कथन को हम लोग प्रूफ करते हैं. तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल ABC, this triangle ABC and triangle BAD, this triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, ABC and triangle BAD, हम लोगों को क्या दिया हुआ है? ए साइड AB is common in both the triangle. So we can write here AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. It is common side. And BC, side BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. Why it is equal? Sides of the square are equal. And angle BABC, this angle is equal to BAD, this angle is equal to 90 degree. Why it is the 90 degree? Because each angle of the square is 90 degree. Here AB is equal to BA and BC is equal to AD and angle B is equal to angle A. So we can say that by side congruency theorem, both the triangle are congruent. So we can say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD by SAS rule. Both the triangle are congruent by SAS rule. If both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD by CPCT. AC is equal to BD by CPCT. AC and BD are the diagonal. So the diagonals are equal. It is proved. So we can say that diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. It is proved. Our next part, the diagonals bisect each other. Next part is diagonal bisect each other. It means we have to prove OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. For this, इसको हम लोग को प्रूव करने के लिए हम लोग कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेते हैं? इन ट्रायंगल AOD, AOD and COB. AOD and COB. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Why it is equal? Because of the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, this line is parallel and this is the transversal. So this angle is equal to this angle. Similarly, this line parallel to this line, and we take this line as a transversal. So in this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Why it is? Because alternate interior angle. This side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say that both the triangle are congruent. By which congruency theorem? By angle side angle congruency theorem. Angle side एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंसी थ्योरम. दो एंगल और एक साइड बराबर है तो हम लोग को कौन सा कॉन्ग्रुएंसी थ्योरम से ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट होगा? ASA कॉन्ग्रुएंसी थ्योरम. इन ट्रायंगल AOD and COB, AD is equal to CB. Given AD is equal to CB. Why it is equal? Because sides of the square are equal. So AD is equal to CB, and angle OAD is equal to angle OCD. OAD, this angle is equal to OCB, not OCD, OCB, because of the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. And again, angle ODA is equal to angle OBC. It is also alternate interior angles. So we can say that both the triangle AOD congruent to triangle COB by which rule? ASA rule. Both the triangle are congruent. If both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that the corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. It means OA is equal to OC. Why it is OA is equal to OC? OA is equal to OC. We can say that OA is equal to OB. Why it is OA is equal to OC? Because इसमें क्या होता है, जो ये एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर है, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. सो इसके सामने वाला साइड और इस एंगल के सामने वाला साइड क्या होगा? आपस में इक्वल होगा. इस एंगल के सामने वाला साइड OD, इस एंगल के सामने वाला साइड OB. सो OD इज इक्वल टू OB, OD इज इक्वल टू ओ बी। उसी तरीके से ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर है, तो इस दोनों एंगल के सामने वाला साइड ही बराबर होगा। इसके सामने वाला साइड ओ ए, इस एंगल के सामने वाला साइड ओ सी। सो ओ ए इज इक्वल टू ओ सी, ओ ए इज इक्वल टू ओ सी एंड ओ डी इज इक्वल टू ओ बी बाय CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. So it is proved that the diagonal bisect each other. So it is proved, hence diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other, but it means the parts of the diagonals after intersecting is equal. It means OA is equal to OC. Here I have written OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. So diagonals bisect each other. Now अब हम लोगों को क्या प्रूव करना है? Diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Right angle, it means here it must be the 90 degree. 90 degree. All angles should be the 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. All angles should be the 90 degree. So in triangle AOB and COB, AOB and triangle COB, why I have taken in this order AOB and COB? Because this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Just we have proved it. So this side is equal to this side. I have taken angle AOB. तो इस साइड के बराबर कौन सा है? ये वाला। तो इसलिए हम लोग लिए हैं COB। ऐसा नहीं कि AOB और BOC ले सकते हैं, गलत नहीं होगा, लेकिन ऑर्डर हमारा गड़बड़ा जाएगा। इसलिए हम लोगों को क्या लिए हैं? एंगल AOB and angle COB. AB is equal to CB. Here in this triangle, both the triangle AB is equal to CB. ऑर्डर में लिए हैं इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे सही हो जा रहा है, अदरवाइज ये गलत हो जाता है। AB ये वाला छोड़ दिया है, AB then is equal to CB. So I am going to write AB is equal to CB. Why? It is sides of the square. Sides of square are equal. Next one, OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. Here OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. It is above proved. Above proved. OB is equal to OB, common in both the triangle. OB is equal to OB. OB is equal to OB. यहाँ से क्या हो गया? दो साइड इक्वल है और तीसरा साइड भी इक्वल है. दिस इज कॉमन साइड. तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं ट्रायंगल AOB congruent to triangle COB. By which congruency rule? By all the three sides is equal. By SSS congruency rule, both the triangle are congruent. If both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that the angle corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal. So this angle also is equal to this angle. So we can write here angle AOB, angle AOB is equal to angle COB by CPCT. both the value of the angle are equal, and both the angles are on the same straight line, so we can say that the sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degrees. So we can write here angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. And angle AOB plus angle AOB is equal to 180. ऐसा हम लोग क्यों कर दिए? Here it is written COB. Why I have written angle AOB? Because angle COB is equal to angle AOB. So COB के जगह पे हम लोग क्या पुट कर दिए? AOB. अब क्या है? Angle AOB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So we can, after adding AOB plus AOB is equal to twice of AOB, and twice of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Twice of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 180 degree by 2. It divides, cancelled by 90 times. So we can say that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, also is equal to angle COB. यदि ये एंगल 90 डिग्री, ये एंगल 90 डिग्री, तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि ये दोनों भी लीनियर पेयर से ये 90 डिग्री, फिर ये दोनों एंगल हमारा लीनियर पेयर से, यदि ये 90 डिग्री तो ये भी हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 90 डिग्री. सो वी कैन राइट हियर all the angles, angle AOB is equal to angle COB is equal to angle AOB, COB, COD is equal to angle DOA is equal to 90 degree. Hence it is proved, hence the diagonal, hence we can say diagonal bisect each other at right angle. It is proved. चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड ग्रुप में अपने दोस्तों के बीच इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. दिस इज़ द न्यू चैनल, सो आई वांट योर एप्रिसिएशन. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.